Good morning, children and dear parents. As you know that after being with you for 11 years, I am transferred to St. Thomas School, Khalilabad, another school of the diocese. As I came here 11 years ago from Little Flower School, Dharampur, the same way after spending some years here, after being with you for some period, I am asked to take up another assignment by my superiors, that is the principalship of St. Thomas School, Khalilabad, another ICSE school under the management, same management. Ever since the pandemic, Corona-19 hit the world, many of us are affected by it. Our education system is disturbed. We are compelled to be confined to our homes and conduct our classes using the technology, using the online method. You have missed an important year of your life by not being able to come to the school. Of course, we were making efforts. Your teachers were trying to remain connected with you throughout this pandemic period through online classes. Last year, we had an online class, and this year, as we came to know that the schools are not going to function immediately with the physical presence of the students, we switched over to the live classes, and I hope you are attending your classes regularly and completing all your works. And whenever you have some doubts, you call up your teachers to clear your doubts. This situation is going to remain there for some more time. We cannot be very relaxed. If we ignore our studies, then your future career, your future studies also will be disturbed. So every opportunity that you get to carry on with your studies, connected with your friends and teachers, that you have to utilize it properly. We are making efforts to reach to you as you sit at your home ready to learn from the teachers. Teachers come up with the live lectures. They remain connected with you, and we are organizing classes as per a set timetable and schedule, and it is limited to your usual school hours, so that you are free in the afternoons and in the evenings for your personal activities and for completing your assignments and your homeworks. Children, take your studies seriously, remain connected with your teachers in spite of all those limitations of using the technology for conducting the classes. We are trying to do our best to reach to you regularly. We cannot leave you alone at your home. We cannot stop teaching you because you are confined to your home. You are not able to visit your school. But this is the best possible way we can reach to you. As I am moving out from here, today I am giving the charge to the new principal, Father Sony, who will be taking over the principalship of this school from today. I would like to thank each and every one of you who were very receptive, very disciplined, well-mannered, and ever-understanding students. You accepted me as your mentor. You accepted me as your guide, as your teacher, and whatever instructions I gave you from time to time, you welcomed it. You tried to change your life according to it. I could see a steady progress in each and every one of you. Those of you who have reached the senior class, we have spent 11 years together. You must have been here in class LKG or class 1, and almost the same time I also came in. So your 11 important years of your life, childhood, you have spent with me, and I have I have become an instrument in molding your life. May God bless each one of you, and I will be missing each and every one of you. We could not meet for the past 1.5 years except through the occasional video talks or phone calls or occasional visit to the school. And I wish that all of you will be successful in your life. All of you will give importance to your studies and take care of every corrections that is given to you by your elders from time to time. May God bless each one of you, and please do convey my wishes and regards and thanks to your parents too, who are very understanding, who extended all their cooperation and support to me during these years. Thanks to every one of you. God bless you. I'll miss you, each one of you, and we'll meet soon.